Hey CNET, Perla here. Today we have the Vivo Nex phone. Vivo actually announced the concept design for this phone in February, and it had some really cool features, so I'm excited to unbox this for you guys. Looking at the box, it's mostly in Chinese. I don't really know what's inside, but in the front, as you can see, on the right of Vivo, it says it has the FIFA World Cup symbol, which is cool because Vivo is actually the official smartphone sponsor for the FIFA World Cup this year. So let's get started. And right here we have the Vivo Nex right off the bat. I'm going to unpackage it for you guys. It's got that dual camera on the back, and I'm going to turn it on so you guys can see this display. And so this phone actually is bezel-less. It has a small chin at the bottom, but other than that, there's no bezels. It has a 6.59-inch OLED display, and because it's bezel-less, it doesn't have space for a front camera or a speaker on the screen. It also doesn't, as you notice, have a button for the fingerprint sensor. It is actually built in the screen, meaning the fingerprint sensor is underneath the display. And we can set this up and show you how it works. As you can see, all the applications on the phone are actually in Chinese, but thankfully the one thing that we do need is in settings, and it's in English. You type in the password that we've already set up, add a fingerprint, and since it's in screen, I just press my finger up to the screen and it sets it up for me. Okay, and now that the thumbprint is set up, we can exit out. And I put my thumbprint, and it worked. Other than the fingerprint scanner, the selfie camera isn't in the screen, as you can see, but it pops out from the top right here. And so, if I open the camera selfie, see that little piece right there? It actually pops out for you to take your selfies. It's an 8-megapixel camera, and it supports portrait mode, so you get those high-quality selfies in there. On the back, it has the dual camera setup with a 5-megapixel and 12-megapixel camera. This is actually the black color, but it looks to have a rainbow effect when put up against the light, kind of like a holograph. It also comes in red, which I would personally prefer, but this is what we got. Now that we've looked at the phone, let's unbox the rest of this. It has a little pull-out slip. Ooh. It comes with a case, which is pretty nice. It covers up that holographic-like backing. Comes with Vivo headphones. Let's see if I can. Ooh. These are pretty nice. You can put that in the headphone jack at the top of the phone. I'm gonna put that to the side. And another nice feature is it sets the USB power adapter separate from the USB cable for charging. As you can see, the plug-in is a USB-C charger, and it comes with the SIM card tool. This is always pretty nice to pop out your SIM card if you need to. And the phone comes with dual SIM support, meaning it can hold 2 SIM cards at once. If you're in the West and keen to get your hands on this phone, you're gonna have to wait. So far, all we know is that it's gonna come out in China, and it'll probably roll out in other Asian countries where Vivo has a presence, such as Singapore or Hong Kong. As for now, I'm gonna go set up this phone, play with it a little bit, and we'll get back to you with a review soon.